Hey there. Today we'll show you how to build a wishlist screen with the Ionic framework and design kit. Let's get started. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the cool world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the cool layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Pause the video anytime if you need a closer look, and don't forget, all the code snippets are available on our website. The Ionic Design Kit streamlines app development with drag-and-drop elements for designers and ready-to-use components for developers, enabling faster workflows and better collaboration. A wishlist screen enhances user engagement and boosts conversions by letting users save items or ideas. A clean, intuitive design is key to its success. With the Ionic Design Kit, you can quickly create a visually appealing, user-friendly wishlist screen using pre-built components. No starting from scratch needed. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more videos in this series as we explore more features and tips to streamline your app development with Ionic. See you next time.